How to delete all your tweets at once on X. So let's get started. Firstly, download and install Redact. Go to https://redact.dev in a web browser and click download Redact at the top of the page. Once downloaded, run the setup to install the program, and Redact is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Then open Redact and go to Services and simply tap on the Twitter or X option available there. Now log in to Twitter. Redact will ask you to sign into your X account. Enter your username or phone number and passwords to do so. If prompted, allow permissions to your X account as well. Now click Twitter. You can find this in the left panel underneath Delete From. Now select what you want to delete. You will find the options underneath Things to delete. You can check the tweets, retweets, replies, quote tweets and or like boxes as well. Now all you have to do is scroll down and click Start Deleting. This is the white button at the very bottom. Now check the box on the pop-up window and then click Start Deleting again by agreeing to the terms of services. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.